Welcome to Cruising with Christ. My name is Pastor Ken. We have another mod today for the 2013 Dodge Charger. It's going to tie a couple things together into the car. So let's go. So, we got a new mod. We're going to see what's in here and see what it's going to do for the car. Package in a package. All right. Got the I need these USB ports, and I need this port here so I could tie a lot of things together and they all come on and cut off at the same time. It has the blue trim around it when it lights up, because the trim in my car is blue, so it should be a pretty cool accent piece for the car, and everything should work like it should. So let's put it together and see what happens. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Everything's on. Blue lights are on. Let's see this here. There is a light that comes on here, and it is not on here. Let's see. And there we go. Okay. If you heard that noise, that means it popped right on. Okay, so all of those come on. Camera's on. again, you can see the numbers moving, so everything's working. So let's see if everything goes off when I turn the knob off. Turn the knob off. That light goes off. This only has 10 seconds. And then the battery goes completely out. And it cuts off. Okay. There we go. Everything is working. So all we have to do is tidy up these wires and we'll be in business. Now we have my cord put back in place. Everything is connected. I got one cord for my phone charger and everything else is underneath, tucked in nicely, and just right there. So now that I did that, let's turn the car back on. Make sure everything is working. Car's running. Light came on. Camera came on. Everything is on. Everything's working like it should. Another blessing. All right. Cool. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for joining us for another mod. Simple, easy mod. Just get you a USB port so everything can go into one port instead of having things all over your car, having all in one area. When you turn your car on, everything comes on. When you turn your car off, everything goes off. That's the way it should be. And all you have to do, I mean, I've seen a lot of people, you know, rig up things and go into the dashboard and hook up things directly to your car. And see, with this car, I don't want to, everything that I do on this car, it only, it's a plug and play, or it's something that if I sold the car, everything that I put on here can come off. Right? So I don't want to put any holes in the car. I don't want to drill. I don't want to do none of that. So we're not going to do any of those things, but we're still going to be able to mod the car, fix it up, and do it and make it look like I want it to look. So that's it for today. Again, my name is Pastor Ken. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And we also have an Instagram for Cruising with Christ. Check that out. It's a lot of extra pictures and videos and stuff on there as well. And as always, with everyone, keep cruising with Christ.